making a sale every day. How do you do that? And, here's the thing I would tell financial people, and I would tell real estate people and people that are in the kind of business where you have to take an application to complete a sale. You have to get somebody committed to make a sale. And it's probably in a lot of industries, in the car industry, and if you work for Orkin, wherever it is that you might be, Reminder Media, there's always a contract, yes? But that's thinking like everybody else. And Liam, I think outside the box. Here's the thing I want you to understand. Every day, you should be selling something. And in most cases, I tell agents and I tell financial people and I tell entrepreneurs, you need to be selling yourself. Yes? And people say, well, what do you mean by that? I said, well, if somebody comes to me and they say, I had a horrible week. I couldn't close anything. I lost some cases. Just a terrible week. I said, well, how many people did you tell what you do? Well, I didn't tell anybody. Well, there's part of the problem. So you can't even get an application if people don't even know what you do. And so I think the biggest issue with me when I tell people you should make a sale every day, it's not necessarily taking an application and a down payment. And a lot of times it is selling yourself. People have to believe in you. I tell people 99% of my thinking is about not necessarily what I'm selling, but the fact that I've got to commit people to understand that they can trust me and that I will give them something of value in return. If they give you their trust, that's pretty valuable, yes? And in return, you're giving them what? Your time. Some people might say knowledge, and you could say that, but really, the only thing that comes close to valuing, to equaling the value of trust is time. And so if I can tell you anything today, make a sale every day. But think about what kind of sale. Yes, it works. You think about that today.